Let's take a look at number 7. In question 7, they want us to find the derivative of y equals 6 times e to the square root of x, which we know we can simply rewrite as 6e, and then that's going to be x to the 1/2 power. Just a reminder, the derivative rule for differentiating a power e function, the derivative of e to the u is going to be e to the u, it's the same function back, and then if you have an exponent other than x, if you have a function of u in the inside, from the chain rule you need to multiply by the derivative of u, which is going to be u prime. For this particular function, the derivative of 6e raised to the x to the 1/2 power, you leave the 6 alone from the constant multiple rule. The derivative of e to a power is going to be the same thing back, so you have ex to the 1/2 power. And now from the chain rule, we need to multiply by the derivative of the inner function, and it turns out that that's the exponent of the e function. The derivative of x to the 1/2 is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. So to differentiate e to a power, it's the e to the same power times the derivative of the power. Lastly, we can simplify this. 6 times 1/2 is going to give us 3. We have the e to the x to the 1/2, and then to get rid of that negative exponent, you can take that x to the 1/2 into a denominator. So final answer, 3 times ex raised to the 1/2 power divided by x to the 1/2 power. And it looks nice if you want to go back and rewrite this with square roots. This is equivalent to 3 times e raised to the square root of x power divided by the square root of x. This would be y prime.